Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to make money with Wix website. So there are many methods to make money with Wix website. So how to make online money: advertise on your website, design website, create a blog, open an online store, start dropshipping and offer paid. So many people ask about, can I earn money from Wix? When you create a blog on Wix, you can add Google AdSense ads to your blog and generate income anytime these ads are viewed or clicked. For the ads on your blog to be profitable, make sure that they relate to your audience interest. On second point, can you make a professional website with Wix? Wix is available for free for as long as you want. If you need professional features like your own domain name or e-commerce, you must choose from one of their premium plans, ranging from combo to business VIP. So there is another point. Can I use Google AdSense on Wix? Step 5. Activate the AdSense ad code in Wix editor. Go back to your site and select Google AdSense in your app editor. Click setting, paste the code and click activate. Note, it may take up to 48 hours for the ad to be displayed on your site. Wix offer paid memberships and paid plans. So there you can become a freelancer or blogger by creating many articles on Wix website and become an affiliator and write sponsored post also. Drive traffic to wix.com and get paid. Wix affiliate program. Over 109 million people worldwide use Wix to create their website. Share in our success with the Wix affiliate program. We will give you all the tools you need to promote your Wix website. On your website and earn top commissions. Conservation rates for premium plans are through the roof, so direct your traffic to Wix to earn big. So second step is that how you can earn money through blogging on Wix. Read to make money with your blog. Here's how to make money blogging, including practical tips for building your readership and earning. Proven way to monetize your blog by Wix.com. Make money online from ads. And different platform from your website on Wix, and there are many ways to monetize it with AdSense or propeller ads. How to make money from a website: 8 simple solutions. The big difference is you don't need an e-commerce special website builder if you are using Wix. How to sell your services online: website builder like Wix, and there are many search engines like WordPress, Medium, Tumblr, Ghost and any other. So, can you make money using Wix website? Yes, you can absolutely make money by using Wix website. And the first question is that which is better to monetize my blog? The better way is AdSense, Google AdSense, and you can add your ads in your site from Google Ads. The big difference is you don't need an e-commerce specific website builder. How to sell your services online: website builder like Wix, and sell affiliate product in the form of review page. Embed your YouTube video for more traffic and higher. So there are so many methods for creating a website like Wix and earn money online with Wix.